Hey, what's up? Just making a quick video here on the DRAG Specialties mini blinkers. As you can see there, these ones are part number 2040-2135. And basically they don't really come with any instructions. And basically they have to be either spliced in, unless you have the Harley Davidson parts. You can get the receptacle and the terminals from HD. I'll list the part numbers also after the video, but that is the part number there for the receptacle, and that there is the terminal number. And basically it simplifies it so you don't have to splice. You can basically crimp the terminals directly onto the wires that come with it. And once you do that, you put those into the receptacle. You're only using the black and purple, which is, I don't know if you could see that, terminal number 3 and number 2. The black goes in number 3 and the purple goes in number 2. Basically you throw those wires right into there, and then that's going to connect to your stock blinkers. Hang on a second, I'll show you a quick example. Alright, once you crimp your terminals, you slide them in until you hear them click in there. And once you do that, it's pretty much all set. You go ahead and plug them in. And basically you're going to have to run the wire that it comes with some zip ties. I still haven't finished that completely yet. So we'll go ahead and test them out. So I am experiencing some hyper flash, and I believe that's because I'm gonna need a load equalizer, which I'm gonna have to pick up. So once I get that, that will eliminate the flashing super fast like that. If you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, I'll list the part numbers down below.